As the chainsaws roar and sawdust fills the air, we are about to witness pure power in action. These machines are built to tame the toughest woods like stripping bark, splitting logs. Are you ready to dive into the heart of logging? Let's jump right in. Cutting down the biggest trembesite tree near the river turned into a heart-pounding moment. As the massive tree toppled, the ground shifted, threatening to send it crashing into the water. A tense scene where nature almost got the upper hand. Oh my gosh. It looks like the tree is fighting back with its last breath. That's horrible. Luckily, no one was injured. Step back in time as the historic sawmill and box factory brings its century-old machinery to life. Watch in awe as they fire up the original mill, just as it ran 100 years ago, transforming raw timber into perfectly crafted lumber. Hold on to your hats, folks. Watch as this 45-to-1 pulley system turns uprooting a tree into a full-blown action scene. It's like watching a gentle giant slowly getting yanked off its feet. Bet the tree never saw that coming. This is proof of your greed. If you take too much wood, it will lead to overload. Get ready for a symphony of sawdust. This 37-inch red oak is about to meet its match as the sawmill cranks up the tune. It's like watching a maestro conduct a lumber orchestra. Wow. I believe this guy is so incisive and perfect irrespective of saw he uses. May God give him suitable awards and shower blessings. Watch as the Timber Pro TL7 45D, armed with the monstrous Quadco 27 SAIC, slices through trees like a hot knife through butter. This beast makes felling look almost effortless, turning thick trunks into perfectly stacked timber with precision and power. My God, tremendous respect for those guys working at a sawmill. But I guess you get all the free sawdust you want. Just when you think you've seen it all, along comes the self-propelled log splitter. This marvel doesn't just split wood, it practically brings the firewood to your doorstep. It's like the Swiss Army knife of log splitters. This monster is struggling to hold its own against the giant logs. Seeing how it moves the logs really impresses me. Whether you're tackling new land subdivisions or wiping out stubborn weeds, this machine shreds through it all with ease. Ideal for bush regeneration or even removing dense woody weeds like African olive, it's the ultimate tool for tough jobs. One word, amazing. I have never seen mud that thick that is crazy. I would give credit to the operator for driving this machine without any problems. Let's experience the power of precision milling and the beauty of expertly crafted wood products at this remarkable facility as skilled operators guide the machinery, transforming raw logs into beautifully profiled timber.